Hey, what's happening? And welcome to another episode of Ice Daily. Today's episode, we're going to be making some honeycomb ice cream. This is my first time in trying it. As you can see, the first time I tried it didn't go too well. I actually burnt the syrup there. So here's a quick warning. If you are trying to make this honeycomb thing, don't make your stove too hot. Like, just ease up the temperature real slow. All right, cool. Let's get into it and show you what I actually did. So when you're whipping the double cream, apparently you're meant to whip it until you see like peaks in it. So I actually got this recipe when I attended the Avenue Cooking School over in Putney. Went over there to learn to make ice cream just a couple of weeks ago, and this is one of the recipes that we made. To be honest, when we made it in the cooking school, this took like literally like 10 minutes. Like, it was real quick. This, even though this is a quick video, it actually took me like a couple hours just to do. Maybe because I was filming as well. So here I'm beating up the honeycomb. You're meant to get it in like little small chunks and stuff because I'm going to throw it into the ice cream. What I couldn't show here is that it was actually making too much noise. I was doing this at night, everyone was sleeping, so I actually took it out. I had to take it outside and like bash it on like this stone rock kind of thing. Like, I wrapped it up and stuff, but yeah, it kind of did the job. My honeycomb for some reason didn't taste as good as it did in the cooking school. I think maybe because I put the bicarbonate of soda in, left it because I forgot the parchment paper downstairs. By the time I ran back up, it kind of was doing its expanding kind of thing. But you know, it looked the part kind of thing, but obviously it didn't taste as good as the one from the cooking school. Hey, what's happening? So here we have it. The ice cream is, let's see if you can focus. Come on. Focus. There you go. So here we have the ice cream. My first attempt at making ice cream. from the look of things, I don't think I did too bad, you know. But the proof is in the pudding, as they say, or the proof is in the ice cream on this occasion. So we're going to see what it tastes like. Not bad. Not bad. So there's a very creamy taste to it. I'll be honest, like, it doesn't taste as good as when I did this in like the cooking class, but it's still really, really good. I'll put like the recipe and stuff like in the description. The honeycomb is actually not bad. I was actually fearing for the worst. I thought like I actually blew it, but eating it now, it's not bad at all. Definitely room for improvement. And while I've been running around trying to put everything together to make this perhaps has been out the freezer maybe a little too long, maybe about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. I think this could have been just a bit colder. But outside of that, this is not bad at all. Looking forward to trying all the other flavors. And when I say all the other flavors, like trying, experimenting, trying new things. I know there's different ways of making ice cream. So stay tuned, stick with us on these ice cream journeys if you like. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Ice Daily. Until next time.